Hello my dear students. So in this video we are continuing our exercise 2b and our next question is question number 6. First part. 1 micron is equals to 1 by 10 lakh meter. So express it in standard form. Very easy. How? अब तक तो समझ आ गया होगा. आई होप यू हैव बीन डूइंग सो मैनी क्वेश्चंस एंड नाउ इट इज़ वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू डू. मैम ये तो मैं तुरंत कर सकता हूँ लाइक दिस. हाँ, so here 1 micron is equals to 1 by 10 lakh meter. So 10 lakh you need to check how many zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Clear? So here what we will do, 1 by 10 raised to the power 6 meter, then 1 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter is the answer. You have to write in standard form. It is very easy. M into 10 raised to the power n. Clear? But simple. Now coming to the second part, size of a bacteria is equals to 0.000 as many 0 4 meter. Express in standard form, no problem. Here 4 by 10 raised to the power 7. How 7? Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 4 into 10 raised to the power 7 minus 7 meter, because 7 was written here na. Understood? Don't forget to write in this form, because standard form is this only. Don't forget this formula. Don't forget, never. Okay, in standard form. Now the third part is thickness of a paper is equals to 0.03 millimeter. Express it in standard form. Very easy. Thickness of a paper 0.03. Now 2 decimal points. So 100 will be here. Is equals to 3 by 10 raised to the power 2 is equals to 3 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 2. See how easy. Now coming to the last question of the exercise, that is question number 7. Write each of the following numbers in usual form. Usual form means the questions are given in the standard form and you have to write in the real form or expanded form. Correct? So very easy question. You can do it. Here 2.06 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Minus 5 is there na? So negative power. Correct? So how you will change it in positive? By taking the reciprocal. Yes, so just remember that when we have to convert in the usual form, we have to make the power positive, and when we have to take it, when we have to write it in the standard form, we have to take the powers in the negative form if wherever required. Okay, because in standard form the powers powers can be negative also and positive also. Clear? It is not compulsory that you will you have to make the powers negative, but if in case while converting the question you need to make the power negative, then you will make the powers negative, as in this question also, like 6th question or all the previous questions also we have done like this. Okay, so 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 we have done. Okay, so now continuing with the 7th question, first part is 2.06 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So let's solve it. 2.06, 2 decimal points, into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Clear? Then 206 by 10 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 10 raised to the power 5. Now both are multiplying na, this and this, so the powers will be added. So here 206 by 10 raised to the power 7 is equals to, we will just open it, because 10 raised to the power 7 now, so we will just open it, we will write in the decimal form. So simple is that. So how many places? 7 places na, so 0.1 2 3 4 and 206. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 places are there, so the answer is 0.0000206. Now the next part is 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. So here is equals to 5 by 10 raised to the power 7, and when we solve it you will get this. Clear? Now the third part is 6.82 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. 6.82 by cancelling out into 100 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Clear? So then 682 by 10 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 10 raised to the power 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So here 682 by 10 raised to the power 8. And by converting in a decimal, we will write like this. Clear? Now the fourth part, 5.673 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So 5.673 by 3 decimal places, so 10 raised to the power 3 and 1 by 10 raised to the power 4. So the power will be 7. Now this is very important to put the correct decimal wherever it is required. Okay, like 5673, 5673 by 10 raised to the power 7. Clear? So it is dividing, it is not multiplying, it is dividing by 10 raised to the power 7. So 0.007 places we have to write, right? So 4 already are there. So 3 we need to fill with 0. 5673. Understood? Because many of you will not understand how we have done it. So I have elaborated it. Now fifth part, 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. So 1.8 means 18 by 10 into 1 by 10 raised to the power 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So here it will be 18 by 10 raised to the power 3 is equals to 18 again 3 na 1000. So 3 places we need. Already 2 we have. So 1 will be filled by 0. Understood? This is the answer. Now the last part, 4.129 into 4.129 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Clear? Minus 3. So here 4.129 thousand, 3 places are there, into 1 by 10 raised to the power 3. So here 10 raised to the power 3 this also, and 10 raised to the power 3 this also. So 4129 by 10 raised to the power 6. We have added both the powers. So here 6 places we need after decimal. So 4 we have. So 2 places by 0 and 4129. This is the answer. Understood? So here we have completed our exercise 2B. I hope you understood the whole exercise. Just see the video as many times as you can, because again and again if you see the video and then try the questions, it will be easy for you to attempt the question and understand the concept. Okay, thank you.